I'm about to leave Matsuyama, going to Omishima Island for the next step in the adventure. Just waiting for the train. It's very sunny. My bags are still super heavy, but I don't have that much train to do today. A couple hours, so should be fine. Sweet, the bus ride is over. I look like I'm in the middle of nowhere, honestly. It's just a 10 minutes walk to the dormitory, to the guest house. Hopefully I can rent a bike somewhere. It seems like that's what everyone's doing. I've seen so many bikes going around, and so many of the places mention bikes. So hopefully I can find one, because I don't think I'll be finding any shops around here or anything. I just got set up. Not a bad spot. Quite a lot of people, and almost all foreigners, which honestly is not my favorite. Also, it seems like most of them are like workers, so they've all know each other and all been here for a while. Apparently I'm staying much longer than people usually stay. I'm here for 4 nights, 5 nights, and people usually stop here for a day or two. They just cycle around. There's a food festival going on this weekend, so I'll go to that. Right now just going to the supermarket, gotta get some food. Set some dinner, set some chicken, some skewers. Nothing too healthy, but I just wanted something nice tonight. Eating an ice cream sandwich now as well. So yeah, I just planned out my week as well. So currently I'm on this set of islands that everyone does by bike. It's like very famous. Whether you're traveling Japan by bike and you go through it, or you come here purely just to do those like 3-4 islands, then anyways, I got FOMO straight away as soon as I learned about that. And there seems to be few solutions. I'm gonna do the loop of the island I'm on. Then when I get to the next one, I'm gonna do the same thing. And then when I got some spare time, I'll go to the other ones. Tomorrow there's a food and beer festival, so that's what I'll be doing. After that, it's gonna be a lot of walking, cycling, running on Tuesday. But yeah, big week ahead. Another beautiful location. Looking at it on the screen looks pretty insane. Quite tired right now. I'm gonna crash soon. I'm gonna wake up early so that I can get the editing out of the way tomorrow. See ya. Well, I can say I was very wrong about this place. This is the first morning. It's early. Woke up at 8. It's 9 now. Last night was great. Once again, I was gonna go to bed early because I'm tired from moving, but ended up talking for like 2 hours to that very nice Japanese couple. And yeah, everyone is super nice. It's someone's birthday today. The guy that I met yesterday who works here, they gave me cake. Everybody's so nice. I think I'm just scared when I get in a space like that where I don't know anyone, and when I haven't socialized in a while. So I was wrong. This place is great. Someone is even letting me borrow their bike today when we go to that beer festival I mentioned. So I don't even need to rent a bike. That was a fun festival. Just stayed for like 3-4 hours, got some food, got a beer, then cycled back with the crew. I think tonight gonna go to the beach, hang out with them some more after they're done working here. Just gonna chill before that. Hopefully, I'm hoping to borrow that bike again so that I can do all the cycling around the islands like I was discussing yesterday, because apparently it's super expensive to rent a bike. So if I could avoid that. Also, the bike I was using is really good. It's a road bike, makes it easy to go around. And yeah, good day, good place. And that's all. Day 2. The weather is not super good today, but it's not supposed to be very sunny till I leave. So I decided I was gonna do the loop of the island by bike today. Unfortunately, the owner of the bike wasn't here, and I tried to get in touch with him, but wasn't getting a reply. So I'm gonna walk to a station where I normally can rent a bike. I don't even know, but like, no highway or anything like. This morning when the guy wasn't replying if I could borrow his bike, I ended up going down in town to check a couple spots. The first one is pretty unfortunate. There's like this app all around Japan. It's not just on this island where you can rent bikes. And when I tried to sign up, you gotta use a phone that they can send a text to. But literally they only have like 10 countries available for the phone number code, for the country code. And New Zealand is not one of them, and I don't have a Japanese phone number, so I couldn't do that. So I went back to the guest house. I checked if there was a reply from the bike owner, and it was like, yeah, I can rent it to you for the day for 3,000. So I started doing the loop. I'm like a third of the way now, and I stopped at the same festival as yesterday because it's going on today as well, and I figured I might as well go see the owner of the bike, you know, the owner of the guest house, because he's selling food here. So that's what I did. I stopped, I got some food, thanked him for the bike. It's a little tricky to follow the path. I keep having to pause a little bit. I don't know, everyone seems to be crossing the bridges between the islands. I'm just doing the loop, so I'm gonna go down a secret path almost. Lots of hills. I don't think I've got too much left. I think less than a third. And I just climbed the biggest hill so far, so I think I'm about to go downhill for a while. Now this is fun, this is challenging. Well, my camera actually stopped recording by itself. Honestly, not the first time this happens. It's quite annoying. It's not too long ago, maybe like 10 minutes ago tops, which is nice. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back towards where it sort of stopped, at least at the top of the hill I just took. And yeah, while it's charging, just catch what I missed. Alright, back at the spot. Of course, it stopped recording right before a massive hill, which I'm gonna have to do again. It's done. That was tough. Like, by the end I was struggling on the hills. I really did not want to walk, so I didn't. I wanted the POV video to just keep going, even if it's slow. And it's done. I think cycling altogether was like 3 hours, 3.5 hours, but yeah, a lot of hills. I'm gonna get a drink right now. Gonna get a Coke Zero. I love doing that after a run, after a good effort. I love a good Coke Zero. And then I'm gonna go to the beach. I think there's a beach like right there. Go for a swim, go back to the guest house, and then I'm gonna grab dinner with the crew. Well, there was no beach near me, so you know what that means. Gotta jump off the wharf again.
Also always sunny every day.
You don't have the mayo. You can't eat okonomiyaki without keeping mayo.
Yeah.
I don't eat mayo.
I don't buy food, so in general. So they will be needy.